Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Muhammad Ashraf bin Raja Adenan. My matric number is B0918100063. Today I will do lab test Hvac transportation. Here answer 1. Okay. As we can see, here is low pressure site location. Now we search for high pressure site location. Okay, here we go. This high pressure site. For low pressure site and high pressure site, on top of the cup have symbol L and H, and both side is connected by manifold gauge, low side and high side. Now we go for answer number 2. Possibility location for leaking. The first one, this piping. As we can see, this is possible leaking can be happen in Hvac transportation. The second possible place for leaking here. This piping, as we can see, and this piping and connection of piping. So leaking can be happen for these two piping. Here, the third location that can be leaking also, and reduce the cooling capacity in Hvac transportation. Okay. As we can see, from here and until low side pressure, so along this can be leak possibility, and this connection also. And for high side to this one, this piping connection, and this possible to happen leaking. Here, if we can see properly, this condenser also can be leaking in tiny piping inside the condenser. As we can see, this is fin for condenser, and inside the fin has a tiny piping that flow the refrigerant. So this possibility can easily happen leaking. So must check weekly or monthly to make sure not leaking. As we can see, this part also possibility to be leaking the connection to the condenser unit. Okay, that's all for my answer for question 1 and question 2 part B. Thank you.